Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.